Hey everyone. Today, I want to talk about something really important, your personal growth and why it's best kept private. In an age where we share everything on social media, from what we ate for breakfast to our deepest thoughts, it's easy to feel the need to broadcast our self-improvement journey too. But let me tell you, healing in private has its own profound advantages. First, privacy allows you to focus inward without distraction. When you're not worried about how others perceive your progress, you can truly listen to yourself. This solitude gives you the space to understand your emotions, recognize patterns, and make meaningful changes without the pressure of external validation. Speaking of validation, let's be real. It can be a double-edged sword. While positive feedback feels amazing, it can also create a dependency that detracts from your internal motivation. Your growth should be driven by your own desire to improve, not by the likes, comments, or opinions of others. Imagine this. You're a seed planted in the soil. You need time to grow roots before pushing through the surface. If you expose yourself too early, you risk damaging those delicate roots. Give yourself the time and privacy to strengthen from within. Another key point is that private growth allows for authentic mistakes. You don't have to worry about judgment or the fear of failure when no one is watching. It's your safe space to fall, learn, and rise stronger. Healing in private also means you set the pace. There's no rush to keep up appearances or match someone else's timeline. You're in control of your journey, and you can take it as slow or fast as you need to. Lastly, private growth fosters genuine peace. When your journey isn't public, it's easier to avoid comparison and competition. You can focus on your unique path, your unique progress, and celebrate your unique victories. So next time you feel the urge to share every step of your self-improvement journey, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself if this moment is for you or for an audience. Often, the most profound transformations happen in the silence of solitude. Remember, your growth doesn't need an audience. It just needs you. Stay focused, stay private, and flourish. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, take care.